Talia, you sleep in the dirt and bathe in rivers every single day. How do you take care of your curls? Honestly, fair question. Today, I'm camping in the Albanian mountains. It is time for hair wash day. Step 1, I need to get my hair soaking wet. It's freezing. So these are the products that I use. They're from California Naturals. And we start with their shampoo. I only shampoo my hair once every 2 weeks. I massage that with my hands. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Don't forget about the back of your hair. The reason why I love California Naturals is they use very clean ingredients, which is important because I'm bathing in nature. I don't want to put anything toxic into the world. All right, step number 3, washing the shampoo out. Have a brain freeze. Next step is a hydrating hair mask. This is super important. My hair is always dry since I'm in the sun. I brush the ends. This is to get all the dirt and bugs and grass and sticks and whatever the fuck is in my hair out. This is normal and it's okay. I leave the hair mask in for 10 minutes while I meditate. 10 minutes is up. Time for me to go back in the shower. Last step is I take their conditioner. Here's what I do differently than a lot of people. Because the ingredients are so natural, it's not bad to leave the product in my hair. And I use my nail to make a middle part. And here's the secret sauce. You need to brush up. And then I go like that. And you do this for the whole head. You already have the curls forming. And this is what it looks like when it's dry. So there you have it. That's how I keep my hair healthy while camping and traveling the world.